In this video, I'm going to discuss the days of the week. And you're probably sitting there going, why are we going to discuss this? Well, I know there's a lot of people out there that just simply don't know where we got the names Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, so on and so forth. Well, now I'm going to reveal the secret. It came from a group of people, well, most of this came from a group of people known as the Vikings, or otherwise known as the Norsemen or Normans. And these people occupied, back in the 9th and the 10th centuries, the coastal areas of Europe, mainly Germany and France. Okay? So that's where basically this stuff came from. Now, not all of it came from there, but most of it did. Alright? The word Sunday was a day of the sun. Okay? And the day Monday was known as the day of the moon. Now, you'll find this also in the Italian language, because the word for Monday in the Italian language is lunedì. And so people associated the moon with lunacy, and that's where we get the word lunatic. Alright? Now, how about Tuesday? Well, the Vikings, as they were known, had a god known as Tyr. And this god was the god of single combat. Now, obviously, being a Judean Christian, I don't endorse the Nordic mythology, but that's where it came from. I didn't make this up. That's just a fact. Okay, so they had a god, and his name was Tyr, and this god was the god of single-hand combat. According to the mythology, he only had one hand, so that's what he used to fight with. Okay? What about Wednesday? Well, that word came from the name Woden or Odin, which was the chief god of the Nordic gods. Okay? Again, this is more of their mythology. And Thursday actually came from, believe it or not, the word Thor, or the name Thor, which was the god of thunder. Alright, and you've probably seen this in the comic books these days, and he's very famous in the comic books, but back then he was the god of thunder, and they actually worshipped him back in those days. I wouldn't imagine anybody worshipping somebody like that, but okay. Anyway, Friday actually came from the Norse God Frigg, which apparently was supposedly the wife of Odin. Okay. Again, I don't endorse this stupid mythology, but that's the way it is. Alright, and so, what about the word Saturday? Well, believe it or not, it comes from the word Saturn. That's right, the name of the planet Saturn is also the origin of the word Saturday. So now you know the days of the week and where they came from. If you want to do more research or give me some feedback, I welcome it. And I will see you in a future video, so stay tuned.